Hello everyone. Today we are going to show a video which shows how to record audio in Adobe Audition. So let's begin the tutorial.
Very first thing that we want to do is plug in our microphone into the audio interface. First, we need to have it plugged into the microphone, and then we want to plug the other end into the audio interface into input 1. Next, we want to make sure that there's phantom power. This means that the power supply to the microphone is coming from the computer. We do this by pressing this button, and we know that it's on when there is an orange light. Alright, now that we have our microphone set up, we want to go onto the computer. And the first thing we want to do is create a new multi-track session. So we go to File, New, Multi-track Session. We want to give the session name our name underscore radio NEA underscore 2022. And then we want to browse, and on the computer and documents in the NEA 2022 folder, we're going to create a new folder. This is your own private folder, and we're going to use the same naming convention. And create. This is where everything from this project is going to be saved. Alright, the next thing is we want to use a template that has been created for you. And so you click on Radio Production Template. Great. Then press OK, and you have created a new multi-track session. As you can see, there are many different layers, different tracks. And depending on the one that you have currently selected, that's where you are going to record. Next, what you want to do is we want to test our microphone levels. This is the sensitivity of the microphone. So on the audio interface is where we're going to be adjusting this, but in Audition, in the software, we're going to be testing what the level is. And a good rule of thumb is the highest volume that you want, the highest level rather, is -7. And the lowest, so the quietest, should be at -30. So let's test it. First we want to click the R on the track that you are recording to. And as you can see, there is sound that is being picked up. So just as a quick test, if you see that green bar being raised, you know that the microphone is picking something up. And we want to make sure that that bar does not get into the red section, but barely touches the yellow section, as we can currently see. Once we know that that's working and it's at the level that we want, we can start our first recording. We do this by, in the bottom center, clicking on the red button. And then we're recording. To stop the recording, you just press spacebar. We are now ready to start recording.